Welcome to the world of e-commerce in 2024, where creating an online store is not just a trend, it's a necessity. Today, we're diving into how you can establish your own online store using Shopify, a leading e-commerce platform. If you're a beginner or even if you've dabbled in e-commerce before, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, let's talk about what makes Shopify a go-to choice for online retailers. It's known for its user-friendly interface, customizable templates, and robust features. Whether you're selling handmade crafts or launching a full-scale business, Shopify can cater to your needs. But before we jump into setting up your store, there's some groundwork to be laid. Start by brainstorming what you want to sell and identifying your target audience. This step is crucial because it influences your store's design, product selection, and marketing strategies. Once you've got your business idea, it's time to sign up for Shopify. Go to Shopify's website and click on the Start Free Trial button. Remember, you don't need a credit card to sign up for the trial, making it risk-free to explore. During the sign-up process, you'll be asked for some basic information about your store. Don't worry if you haven't finalized your store name, you can change it later. After signing up, you're immediately taken to your Shopify admin dashboard. This is where the magic happens, your command center for building and managing your online store. Your first task is to add products to your store. Click on the Products button in the dashboard and select Add Product. Here, you'll enter product details like name, description, price, and images. Good product descriptions and high-quality images are key to attracting customers. Now, let's talk about customizing the look of your store. Shopify offers a variety of free and paid themes to choose from. Each theme is customizable, allowing you to align it with your brand's aesthetics. To select a theme, go to the Online Store section and click on Themes. Once you've chosen a theme, you can customize it by changing colors, fonts, and layout. Remember, your store's design should reflect the products you sell and appeal to your target audience. After tweaking your theme, it's time to set up your domain. Having a custom domain adds credibility and makes your store more memorable. You can buy a domain directly through Shopify or transfer an existing one. To do this, navigate to the Domain section in your admin dashboard. Here, you can search for available domain names or connect one you already own. Once your domain is set, let's focus on setting up payment methods. Shopify supports various payment gateways including PayPal, Stripe, and Shopify Payments. To configure these, go to the Settings menu and select Payments. Choose the payment gateways you want to use and follow the prompts to set them up. Remember, offering multiple payment options can improve customer experience. Now, let's discuss shipping, a crucial part of any online store. Under Settings, you'll find the Shipping and Delivery option. Here, you can set up shipping rates, methods, and regions you'll ship to. Shopify also allows you to integrate with major shipping carriers for real-time rates. Consider your product sizes, weights, and shipping destinations when setting your rates. Next up is tax settings, which can be complex but are vital to get right. Shopify helps simplify this by automatically handling most common tax calculations. However, ensure you understand the tax regulations in your region and set your rates accordingly. After setting up your payments, shipping, and taxes, it's time to add some extra functionality. Shopify's App Store offers a plethora of apps to enhance your store. From email marketing tools to inventory management, there's an app for almost every need. Browse through the App Store and install apps that align with your business goals. But be selective, too many apps can slow down your store's performance. Now that your store is set up, it's crucial to test everything before going live. Place a few test orders to ensure the checkout process is smooth. Check that your payment, shipping, and tax settings are functioning correctly. Also, navigate through your store as a customer would to check for any issues or glitches. Testing your store thoroughly is essential, but there's more to do before launch. Let's talk about adding important pages to your store. Pages like About Us, Contact, and FAQs are crucial for customer trust and engagement. To create these, go to the online store section and click on Pages. Here, you can add new pages and fill them with relevant content. An About Us page should tell your brand story and connect with customers. The Contact page makes it easy for customers to reach out with questions or concerns. FAQs can address common queries, saving time for both you and your customers. Now, let's focus on the legal aspects, adding policies to your store. Shopify provides templates for refund, privacy, and terms of service policies. Access these under Settings and then Legal. Customize these templates to suit your business, but ensure they comply with legal requirements. After setting up your pages and policies, it's time to think about marketing. A good start is setting up SEO for your store to enhance its online visibility. Shopify makes this easier by allowing you to edit meta titles and descriptions for your products and pages. Also, consider integrating social media to widen your store's reach. Platforms like Instagram and Facebook are great for showcasing products and engaging with customers. Another vital aspect of marketing is email campaigns. Collecting emails and sending newsletters keeps customers informed and engaged. Shopify offers email marketing tools, or you can use third-party apps for more advanced features. As your launch day approaches, create a buzz around your store. Use social media, email marketing, and even paid ads to generate interest. Consider offering a launch promotion, like a discount or a special first buy offer. On launch day, double-check everything is in order and go live with confidence. But remember, launching your store is just the beginning. Regularly updating your store, adding new products, and engaging with customers are key to ongoing success. Monitor your store's performance using Shopify's analytics and make adjustments as needed. Stay on top of trends in your industry and adapt your store to meet changing customer needs. Finally, always look for ways to improve customer experience. From easy navigation to excellent customer service, every detail counts. In summary, creating an online store on Shopify in 2024 is a journey that involves careful planning and execution. You've learned about setting up your store, from adding products to customizing your theme. We discussed the importance of choosing a domain, setting up payment methods, and configuring shipping and taxes. Don't forget the significance of legal pages and customer engagement through About Us, Contact, and FAQ pages. SEO and social media integration are key to driving traffic to your store. Email marketing can be a powerful tool to keep your customers engaged and informed. Remember, the launch of your store is just the starting point. Continuous improvement, staying updated with trends, and prioritizing customer experience are crucial for long-term success. Regularly monitor your store's performance and be open to making necessary adjustments. In this ever-evolving e-commerce landscape, staying adaptable and customer-focused is essential. As you embark on this exciting journey, remember that every big store was once a new entrant in the market. Your dedication, creativity, and customer-centric approach will define your store's success. Don't be afraid to experiment and learn from both successes and setbacks. And most importantly, enjoy the process of creating and growing your online presence. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to like and share it with others who might benefit from it. Best of luck with your Shopify store in 2024. Here's to your success in the world of e-commerce.